Western equine encephalitis virus. The transmission of these encephalitis virus is similar. They are transmitted to humans by mosquitoes from small wild birds. However, they differ in detail. They belong to different virus families and cause disease in different geographic areas. Yellow fever virus. Member of the flavivirus family, causes yellow fever in the tropical area of Africa and South America. Jungle yellow fever is transmitted from monkey to humans by mosquito. Urban yellow fever is transmitted from human to human by Aedes mosquito. Humans are the reservoir in the urban form. Humans are the not dead end host because viremia is high. There is no antiviral therapy. There is a life attenuated vaccine for human. Dengue virus. Member of flavivirus family, causes dengue virus in the Caribbean region and other tropical areas. Dengue is the most common insect-borne viral disease in the world, transmitted by Aedes mosquito. From one human to another, a monkey reservoir is suspected. Second episode may result in dengue, hemorrhage, fever, a life-threatening complication. There is no antiviral therapy and no vaccine. Chikungunya. Chikungunya virus, member of Toga family virus, causes a chikungunya fever in the Caribbean region and other tropical areas, transmitted by Aedes mosquito from one human to another. There is no antiviral therapy and no vaccine. Tumor virus. Human T lymphotropic virus HTLV, causes adult T cell leukemia. Oncogenesis is the function of the TAX gene of HTLV. The TAX protein activates synthesis of IL-2, also known as T cell growth factor, and the receptor for IL-2. Human papilloma virus HPV, causes carcinoma of the cervix, penis, and the anus. Oncogenesis is the function for the E6 and the E7 genes of HPV, and the E6 and the E7 protein inactivate activate the tumor suppressor protein P53 and RB respectively. Epstein-Barr virus EB, primary cause Burkitt lymphoma and nasopharyngeal carcinoma. Oncogenesis is the function of translocation of the mice oncogene to a site adjacent to an immunoglobulin gene promoter that enhances synthesis of the C-mice protein, a potent oncoprotein. Human herpes 8. Human herpes virus 8 causes Kaposi sarcoma. Oncogenesis is primarily a function of an early protein analog to the E7 protein of HPV that inactivate the tumor suppressor protein RB. Merkel cell polyoma virus. Merkel cell polyoma virus causes carcinoma of Merkel cell in the skin, often a sun-exposed area such as the face and a neck. MCMPV is a non-enveloped virus with a double-stranded DNA genome. The T antigen protein of MCMPV inhibit tumor suppressor protein P53 and RB. Infection with MCPV is a widespread, but the carcinoma is rare. The carcinoma cell do not produce virus, so transmission from patient with carcinoma to other not occur. Diagnosis is made by microscopy analysis of surgical specimen. There is no virus-based assay. There is no antiviral drug or vaccine. JC virus, member of Papovirus family, causes progressive leukoencephalopathy. Infection with JC virus is widespread, but PML occur only immunocompromised patients such as those with AIDS. Invariable, fatal, no antiviral therapy and no vaccine. Prions, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease variant and CRU. These are the transmissible spongiform encephalopathies. There is a hereditary from CJD called Getsman-Straussler-Skun syndrome and are composed of protein only. In most cases, CJD mode of transmission is unknown. Transmission is unknown. CJD has been transmitted by pituitary extract brain electrode and corneal transplant. CURO was transmitted by the ingestion of the incorporation brain tissue.